Hi guys, my name is Alfiyan and I would like to share with you how you can achieve professional success with personal branding. But before that, to explain to you the power of personal branding, I would have to share with you my story. Back then, 10 years ago, I was once a kid who's very skinny. I was very quiet. I was mediocre at what I did. I was neither good at my studies. I had very low self-esteem. I don't believe in traveling overseas even. Most importantly, I don't believe I can achieve anything at that point of time. Yeah, it was very bad. So after national service, I was 22 years old, at that point of time. So I told myself, enough is enough. So I set a goal for myself. I told myself I'm gonna stop being mediocre and I'm gonna start living my own life, a life which I will be proud of. So I started reading books. I started reading books on personal development. I started going on to YouTube and learn from the experts over there. And then I braved myself and I started traveling overseas. I backpacked from Singapore, Thailand for many months, and I lived with locals. I lived with many other backpackers from around the world, and they changed my mindset. They changed my perspective in life. And I came back to Singapore. I started realizing, hey, personal branding is very important, and personal branding is so powerful that you can actually jumpstart your career, jumpstart your life even. So I began posting stories about my personal journey online, on Instagram, on Facebook, and Alhamdulillah, my life changed after that. Honestly, looking back, the 22-year-old Alfiyan will never in a million years believe that when people tell him who he's gonna be 8 years later, that guy will never believe it. Alhamdulillah for the experience. Alhamdulillah for what he has given me. And I would love to share with you my traits and my stories and my journey. So sign up now and we'll see you at the other end. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.